If you've been thinking about becoming a cybersecurity professional, I want to share this with you to encourage you to make that decision. Go for it, because I'm still within my first year of my journey, learning, studying, getting certifications. And I will tell you, this has been so fun. I love studying for some of these certifications. I can't wait until I do some of the training that I have planned for myself. They have a course called Blue Team Level 1. If you're in cybersecurity, you've been around the block, you know what I'm talking about. Blue Team Level 1 is a 4-month course with multiple labs in 6 different domains, and they give you hands-on training of cybersecurity incidents, phishing, incident response, using a security information and event management tool. And the thing that gets me excited the most is the fact that the exam is them putting you in a live situation. You have to respond to an incident within 24 hours. You have to figure out how they breached. You have to use the MITRE attack framework, which is a framework that explains the life cycle of how somebody, and how do they do the reconnaissance to understand breaking into the network, their first initial access, when they escalate their privileges, when they do lateral movement. This is so cool. Listen, I promise you, if you've been thinking about this, you're not sure, just go listen to the Darknet Diaries podcast. Go listen to like 5-10 episodes. I promise you, you're gonna catch the bug that I've gotten for cybersecurity. It is so cool. It's so interesting. You know, when you think about it, like when we were in school, it's like we had to do all this studying, we had to do all this work. It's like, I don't want to do all this crap. I don't want to do this shit. But when I look at my curriculum that I've planned out for myself, or what I'm going to study, you know, right now I'm doing my MS 900 and my MD 102 right after that, and then I plan on getting my Network Plus. If you look at my GitHub, I have several projects on there with me coding with SQL, coding with Python. What else did I use? Using the Linux command line to manage user access privileges. That's all on my GitHub. When I look, so back to what I'm saying, when I look at what I have planned for myself going into the future to upgrade my skills, it's so exciting, you know? And I promise you, if you just jump in, you get your feet wet, you start doing, you'll learn how cool this is. You'll catch that enthusiasm that I'm experiencing, right? Of course, you can get paid very well, and I think honestly a lot of us are doing ourselves a disservice by only focusing on the amount of money that we can make, because we're not focused on getting the actual skills. And that's probably one of the things that I need to focus on the most, like for my own self, you know? It's like, yes, I want to change my life. I want to get a better job. I want to work. But at the end of the day, sorry, I'm getting a little distracted because I was going to park here, but I realized I can't park there for Thursday. If I do, they'll give me a ticket tomorrow. So anyway, back what I was saying. If you're thinking about getting into cybersecurity, I just want to share that it is very fun. It is so fun. It is a fun field. Is it hard? Yes. Of course it's hard. In fact, you want it to be hard. Why would you want it to be easy? Why would you want it to be easy? If it was easy, then everybody could do it. And if everybody could do it, you wouldn't be getting paid well. So it has to be hard. You know? It doesn't have to be grueling. It doesn't have to be miserable. It doesn't have to be defeating. It's not that hard. I mean, we're not doing roofing. You know? That's grueling. Imagine doing roofing in the sun in Arizona. You know? That's a high mortality job right there. This, you know, we're defenders of the network. We're sentinels. It's so cool. So, this is like kind of an off the cuff video here. Just wanted to share my thoughts. My focus right now is IT. Obviously, getting an IT technician position, but really, to me, that's only a foundation for becoming a SOC analyst, which stands for Security Operations Center. Somebody who monitors the network. And if you're going to monitor the network, you're going to defend the network, you really need to have a working understanding of the network, right? So think about it. If you want to get into IT, I got a video where I'm talking about a course that is the perfect course for people who are beginners. If you don't know anything about IT, you want to get an IT support job, I recommend getting that course first. It is a great start. It is a great introduction. And it'll allow you to do some hands-on projects where you can get some practical working skills with cloud technologies and Microsoft Azure. You'll also learn some A+ concepts. A+ is that's a certification people get. It's like focused on hardware and troubleshooting. I haven't got the A+ yet, but it'll introduce you to those concepts. Like if I'm asking you what a network interface card is and you don't know, that's a problem, right? So I recommend you check out this review that I did. It's on my channel. It's called Break Into Tech 2024, and check out that review. See if that's something that will help you get your introduction into it. And I also recommend, if you're really interested in cybersecurity and you're green, you literally don't know anything, go and take the Google Coursera cybersecurity course. That's like $50 a month. It took me like 6 months to do it. I was doing it super part-time, but that's a great intro. I really enjoyed that. And I forgot to mention, for the other course, for the IT support, if you use my code, which I'll link in the description, you get $50 off. Am I gonna get a kickback? Of course. Why am I recommending it? Because I did it myself, and I can attest that it's fucking amazing. It's a great course. It's by this guy named Josh Madakor. But anyway, just wanted to get this video out. I'm trying to make a lot more videos while I'm driving home from work. I have a YouTube channel. I want to expand it. We want to get to 1,000 subscriptions. So go ahead and subscribe, man. Especially if you want to know what tall, bald, black guys do in their free time. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button. Leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next mother flipping video. Peace.